Hi guys, welcome back. Apple just rolled out the 7th developer betas of watchOS 26, tvOS 26, and regionOS 26, just 1 week after the 6 betas were made available. Developers can install the new builds through the Settings app on each compatible device with a valid developer account. Both watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 adopt Apple's striking liquid glass design, first seen in regionOS, aligning their look with iOS 26 and macOS 26. On the Apple Watch, watchOS 26 introduces an AI-powered workout buddy designed to provide motivation during exercise, while the Smart Stack gains deeper personalization for more relevant suggestions. The update also debuts a Notes app on the watch and adds support for live translation. For Apple TV, tvOS 26 introduces a karaoke mode that lets users pair an iPhone as a microphone. Other enhancements include improved AirPlay speaker integration, new aerial screensavers, and faster app logins as set up thanks to Apple account syncing. Now, talking about regionOS 26, it enhances spatial computing with special widgets that can be placed freely in the environment. It also brings more lifelike personas and introduces shared special experiences for 2 Apple Vision Pro users. While regionOS 26 remains limited to developers, both watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 are available to developers and public beta testers with official releases scheduled for this fall.